AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, good morning, welcome to the Micro Soldering Show on this beautiful Wednesday. Yesterday I was doing an iPhone 6s or the preparement of an iPhone 6s complete board swap or CPU, logic, ROM and NAND because of that recovery, because we had a hardly corroded phone which was laying at the bottom of the sea. And yeah, I told you I want to finish the swap today or tomorrow, as soon as I get a logic board and an iCloud board. But yesterday, after I don't know, yesterday afternoon, I just found another iPhone 6s iCloud board here, and I just did a swap and didn't remember that I told I want to do a second part of the video. Would be really nice if I had remembered this, but yesterday in the afternoon I didn't had any time to do second video, so I just finished the swap, and I want to show it to you what I did and demonstrate that all is fully working, so you don't say, okay, Ben shows us the first part of a swap and says he shows us the second part, and then he doesn't do, and he doesn't say anything about that. So that's not my thing. I just want to show you what I did and that it worked, because I always do that. Okay, so we go straight under the microscope. This was the board where we took out, like you see here on the top was the LED driver chip which I took out. And yeah, here you see we took out the CPU. I just cleaned the area because I wanted to get the data of the logic ROM, but the board was shorted, so I couldn't get it, so I had to take out the logic ROM. Next, beside to the Wi-Fi IC, here you see there were some components which I took out yesterday. Here I took out the NAND, and here then I just swapped all these parts to another board. I didn't take off the shield on the bottom because I don't want it to swap the baseband because it's a data rescue job, and in this case I don't have to swap the baseband and the baseband EEPROM, so I just did it in that way. And here you can see I just soldered down the CPU and the RAM on the CPU, like you see. You can see all the balls are well connected. It all looks fine. Just a little bit of flux here. I can clean that so you can see it better. Not much better, but perhaps a little bit. Okay, I think now it should look better for you. So I swapped the NAND too, like you see. Here, this is the NAND. And here you can see that I swapped the logic EEPROM. You can see that. I just got it on there. And now I just want to show you that here, this is the right device. And now I just want to show you that this works, okay? So I just need to have a screen. Just give me a second. Where is the 6S screen here? Okay. Here you see, okay? That's the right board. Because I know many people, they write on the videos, oh, you wanted to show us the second part, you didn't do, and did you really swap it, and did it work? And for sure it works. I only show you things which are working, okay? So, and now, boom, we got an Apple, and you can see that is the right device, okay? So I don't tell you anything which is unreal. Hey, why my microscope doesn't want to work? A second, please. So here you can see that it's working. I will show it to you on the other cam too, but I just want to show you that here you can see. So that's the right board, and I just swapped to the on-hands camera, and you can see it's the right board and it's fully working. Okay, so that was all what I wanted to show you in this video, just a short video where I just demonstrate you that the A9 swap out of the video yesterday was successful. And now I want to do the next video for you. I have to take a look what I have here and what I have to do. So we see us again in some minutes. I hope you like it, and yeah, we see us with the next video. If you want to learn things like that, like swapping CPU work and things like that, just write me an email, so we can do that in a one-on-one training. So just use ben@apfeldoktor.eu. And if you're working at a repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, because otherwise you won't be accepted, okay? And every technician in the world should buy this device, because the ICC Pro is just a great product, okay? I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.